Hi everyone, I'm gonna make a quick and easy sweet and sour chicken this afternoon, and I thought I will share it with you guys. So here I have boneless cut chicken breast. It's about a pound of this. I have green pepper, some onion, and a can of pineapple chunks, and this is in its original juice. It's not sweet. Sweetened, don't get the sweetened one. If you have the fresh pineapple, that's even better. I have half cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 egg. I have chili garlic sauce, some rice vinegar, some tomato ketchup, and salt and pepper. Okay, so let's get started. First, and I have Eliza here who's going to help me. Say hello.
Hello.
Move a little bit closer.
Hello.
Okay, first thing what we'll do is in the chicken pieces, we're going to put the egg, 1 egg, put in the cornstarch and flour and pepper and salt for taste. Go ahead, you can put it. Go ahead, keep putting. Okay, and then we're going to mix it with a little bit of water. So go ahead, Eliza. A little bit of water, yes. So you just have to coat it really well. So once it looks like this, it's well coated, keep this aside. For the pineapple, go ahead and reserve the juice and take out the pineapple chunks. So next thing you would do is, in a wok, take some oil and heat it. We're going to fry the pieces of chicken. Now, normally I always take these pieces, spray some oil, and put them in my air fryer. But it does take a little bit longer. So just to show you, today I'm going to fry them in oil. So as you can see, the oil is pretty much heated. I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken pieces out and one by one fry them. Let's see if it's ready. Yes, it is. Because of the cornstarch, it's going to come out really nice and crispy with a nice light coating. I'm going to fry it till it's lightly brown and almost done. Okay, so I'm frying them on a low flame, because you don't want it to get burned. So these are almost ready to be taken out. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. And the same way, cook the rest of the chicken nuggets. So our chicken fritters or pakoras are ready. gonna keep that aside. So heat the wok. I used this pan and I added about half a cup of water of oil in it. So about half a cup of oil. We're gonna make the sauce after we saute our onion and the bell pepper, not the pineapple. Pineapple we'll add later. So once the oil is hot, we're gonna go ahead and add till the onion becomes really translucent. Okay, I'm going to add our garlic chili sauce, about 1 tablespoon. We'll add ketchup, about 2 tablespoons, and rice vinegar. Go ahead and mix it. Add salt and black chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. Add the chicken. We reserved the pineapple juice, so we're going to add that in. And also add our pineapple chunks. Let it cook on high flame for about 10 minutes. Okay, we'll come back in about 10 minutes to take a look at it. So the sauce is reduced. Lastly, we'll add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed in some water to make the sauce thicker. So this is ready now. So our sweet and sour chicken is ready. Enjoy it with plain white boiled rice.